Well, we've got a situation here on Route 44 in Taunton, right near the Raynham line. We've got TMLP poles that are collapsed, leaning against the wires, and it looks like they could very well collapse from this rainstorm. They've closed down the Dunkin' Donuts over here, I was told, by fire department. They're closed. These are live wires. The Speedway gas station is open for now, and I'm not sure whether I'm supposed to be this close, but they'll let me know. Further up on Route 44 near the Route 24 ramps, you've had poles collapse up there, and that's all closed off. You can't drive down there. As you can see, they put yellow tape to keep traffic from coming in the Dunkin' Donuts and walking back towards the pole. I'm walking on the correct side, so if it falls over, it doesn't land on me. And the officer told me he's trying to keep traffic from driving into this Prestige car wash and gas station. So this is it, Route 44, Friday afternoon, Taunton, near the Raynham line.